See that?
Oh, it's blurry. Why is it blurry? Why is it blurry?
Keep walking.
It's blurry and I don't know why. There we go. Kaylee is helping unload the dishwasher. She does a good job. And Cody's standing there wanting to help. She's like, where's this go? It goes in this drawer. This one goes in here. Thank you, baby. Thank you. And there's some more. And Cody's taking little steps walking around the dishwasher. Cody, what you doing, baby? Hi.
Hi, buddy. Big boy.
Hi. All right. Hi, darling. Oh, I can blurry. He says, I want to help. Good job, Kaylee. You want to help with the big one? Whoa, watch out for Cody. Here. It's okay. Look. Remember where this goes? Come here. Remember? Right there. No, turn it the other way.
Now we start researching where.
There you go. Uh-oh. Thank you.
Buddy.
Yay. Cody, you can have a spoon.
Take
No, she won't. She's very good at not taking stuff from her. Here, that goes. They don't matter. You're welcome. All right. You're such a big helper. I'm so proud of you. Good girl.
What a mess.
Yay. Oh, and she knows that that one doesn't go in there. Get the last one. Get that one. Whoa, boy. Say bye.